Hey, Madden, great start. I figured this might be easier than typing it out to you. So let me look at your program right here and let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like you found the sample program in our lesson that because you kind of mimicked that, which is great. Define main, you got your message right here. You set up an empty list, and then you use this loop for M in message. So it'll go through however long message is, one character at a time, and it'll add the ASCII character into your code message list. And then you print it one by one with the loop. So when we run it, we get all of these numbers. By the way, I'll tell you, just because the way our version of Python works, instead of doing this whole thing here, to make it look nicer, I would just print your list. I just do it this way, taking out that loop, just print code message. Look how it looks. Oh, that's so much easier because it's all on one screen right there. But there's all those same numbers just printed like this way. But I wanted to show you, so I'm glad you found that in our lesson. If you go back, so here's where it is, treasure map hidden behind painting. This is where you found the code. That's great because there was like, if you go back one slide, this one decodes. It takes a list, which you've already created. You've already created a list, right? So this does just the opposite. So I'm going to copy this right here. Copy. And I'm going to go back to your program. And I'm going to go after code message and paste that. Okay, so let me fix my indentation there. Okay, so here's what I just added. I added these 4 lines. So let's see if I need to change anything. So this creates an empty message because I have to decode and I'll fill this up. And this is for M in message, but I don't want to go through message anymore. Message was this original. Now I want to go through the ASCII message. So I can change this one to code message with a capital M. So now I want to go through this list right here, right? Because this is code message right down here. So for M in code message, go through that and add each character to my empty variable right here. Whatever it is, add as you go through code message one by one, and then print what the new message is. So let's run that. See, here is all the ASCII characters. And then here is new message, which was empty, but after my loop, it filled it up with all the decoded. So it really gives you a big clue right here on slide 3. You just have to make sure you're using the loop correctly because, see, message is what they call their ASCII list, where in the other program, it's code message, not just message. Message was our original message. So you just have to make sure you're going through the right thing when you're doing that. But looking great, man. I'll get this video to you and you can get that finished up.